Today we are going to learn about harmonics and overtone with the help of this amazing PowerPoint presentation, and we are going to start right now. Hello students, what is going on? My name is Abdullah Momin from On Target Classes. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn physics with the help of animation and simulation, especially class 11 and class 12 syllabus, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. In this video, first we will see the explanation of harmonics, and then we will see the definition of overtone with the help of some example. All the musical instruments do one thing only: they all produce sound, and that sound is the mixture of different frequencies. It contains low frequency sound as well as high frequency sound, and this low and high frequency sound is called as harmonics and overtone. So first we will see what is a harmonic. So the minimum frequency of sound produced by the given musical instrument is called fundamental frequency and first harmonic. If a musical instrument is producing a sound, it contains a mixture of frequencies. The lowest frequency which we are getting, that lowest frequency or minimum frequency is called as the fundamental frequency of that instrument, and it is also called as first harmonic, and it is denoted by small n. So next is the definition of harmonic. The term harmonic is used when the frequency is an integral multiple of the fundamental frequency. So here we are denoting the fundamental frequency by letter small n. So small n is your fundamental frequency, and if you will multiply it by integer or a whole number, then it will called as harmonic. Harmonic is nothing but the integral multiple of fundamental frequency. For example, if n is your fundamental frequency or first harmonic, it is also called as first harmonic. So why it is called as first harmonic? Because this n is multiplied by 1. If you will multiply this n by 2, then it will called as second harmonic. If this n is multiplied by 3, then it is called as third harmonic. And if it is multiplied by 29, then it is called as 29th harmonic. So harmonic is nothing but or the integral multiple of fundamental frequency. If n is multiplied by 1, it is called as first harmonic. If n is multiplied by 2, it is called as second harmonic. And if n is multiplied by 3, then it is called as third harmonic. All the harmonics may or may not be present in the given sound. Now overtone. The term overtone is used to represent higher frequencies of sound. That means it should be greater than the fundamental frequency. The frequencies greater than the fundamental frequencies which are actually present in a given sound, it is called as overtones. And the first higher frequency after the fundamental frequency is called as first overtone. The next higher frequency after the fundamental frequency is called as second overtone, and so on. So overtone means the frequency which are actually present in a given sound, and it should be greater than or other than fundamental frequency. The fundamental frequency is called as first harmonic. The next frequency of sound is called as first harmonic. After that, the next higher frequency which we are getting in that particular sound is called as second overtone, and after that, the next higher frequency after the second overtone is called as third overtone. So overtone is nothing but the sound which, so overtone are only those multiples of fundamental frequency which are actually present in a given sound. Let us understand this concept more clearly with the help of this table. This table contains 3 columns. First column is of harmonics. Second and third column is of overtone. Some musical instrument behave like case 1. In some cases, we will get these overtones, while other musical instrument produces the sound of frequencies, a sound of these frequencies. So harmonics, the very first thing in harmonic column is N. What is N? The value of, consider the value of N is 100 Hertz. So what is harmonic? Harmonic is the lowest frequency which we are getting in a given sound. So this is, if it is a lowest frequency, then it is called as fundamental frequency, and this N is multiplied by 1. So we will call it first harmonic. So the lowest frequency is called as first harmonic. Now if you will multiply this N, and the value of N is 100, if you multiply this N by 2, then it will become 2 into 100, that means 200 Hertz. So 200 Hertz is called as second harmonic. Why it is, we are calling it second harmonic? Because this N is multiplied by 2. If this N is multiplied by 3, that means 3 into 100, it will become 300 Hertz. So it is called as third harmonic. If this N is multiplied by 4, then we will call it fourth harmonic. And if this N is multiplied by 5, then it is called as fifth harmonic. So you have to multiply the fundamental frequency with a whole number. If the fundamental frequency is multiplied by 2, it will become second harmonic. If the fundamental frequency multiplied by 4, it will become fourth harmonic. And if the fundamental frequency multiplied by 5, it will become fifth harmonic. So harmonic is nothing but the integral multiple of fundamental frequency. Now what is overtone? Overtone is nothing but the frequency which are present in a given sound greater than fundamental frequency. The fundamental frequency here is 100 Hertz. It is the lowest frequency or minimum frequency, and we are calling it a fundamental frequency. So overtone is the frequency at which we are getting the sound, or the frequency greater than the fundamental frequency. And at these frequencies, we are getting the sound. Suppose first sound we are getting, the lowest frequency we are getting in the given sound is 100, then it will be your fundamental frequency. And the next frequency in the given sound which we are getting is 200 Hertz. Then 200 Hertz is called as first overtone. but this 200 hertz can be written as 2 into n. So it is your second harmonic and first overtone. The next sound we are getting is 300 hertz. So 300 hertz frequency will be called as second overtone, but this 300 can be written as 3 into n. So it is called as third harmonic. So this is the frequency of third harmonic or the frequency of second overtone. So the next sound, the next frequency which we are getting in a given sound is of 400 hertz. So we'll call it third overtone, and this 400 can be written as 4 into n. So it is your fourth harmonic. So 400 hertz is the frequency of fourth harmonic or the frequency of third overtone. Similarly, the next frequency in a given sound which we are getting is 500 hertz. So we will say that 500 hertz is the frequency of fourth overtone, and this 500 hertz can be written as 5 into n. That means the fundamental frequency is being multiplied by 5. So it is your fifth harmonic. So 500 hertz is nothing but the frequency of fifth harmonic or the frequency of fourth overtone. So some musical instrument behave like this, while some musical instrument behave like the second case, which we are going to study in the second case. So the first sound, the lowest frequency which we are getting in a given sound is 100 hertz, and we are calling it fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Now the second sound, the next higher frequency which we are getting is not 200 hertz. We are getting 300 hertz. The next frequency of sound after 100 hertz frequency of sound, we are directly getting 300 hertz of frequency in the given sound. That in case 2, the frequency of 200 hertz sound is absent. It is not present in a given sound. So we will not call it overtone. Overtone means actual sound produces by the musical instrument greater than fundamental frequency. The lowest frequency, 100 hertz, that is called as fundamental frequency of first harmonic. Next sound we are not getting at 200 hertz, but we are getting the next sound after fundamental frequency is at 300 hertz. So the first sound we are getting at 100 hertz, that is the lowest frequency, that is the fundamental frequency, and the next sound we are getting at 300 hertz. So this 300 hertz frequency is called as the frequency of first overtone. But this 300 can be written as 3 into n. And what is n? Fundamental frequency. This fundamental frequency is being multiplied by 3. So it is called as third harmonic. So if a musical instrument, the lowest frequency of sound a given musical instrument is producing of 100 hertz, the next sound we are not getting 200 hertz frequency, but we are getting the next sound of the frequency of 300 hertz. So 300 hertz is the frequency of the sound greater than its fundamental frequency. So we will call it the frequency of first overtone, and 300 can be written as 3 into n. That means it is the frequency of third harmonic or the frequency of first overtone. Similarly, the next frequency of the sound which is present in a given instrument is not of 400 hertz, but it is producing the next frequency of the sound 500 hertz. So first sound we are getting at 100 hertz, the second sound we are getting at 300 hertz, and the third sound we are getting at 500 hertz. In case 2, we are not getting 200 hertz frequency in a given sound and 400 hertz of frequency in a given sound. So we will not call them as a overtone. So this 500 hertz is the frequency of second overtone, and this 500 can be written as 5 into n. So it is the frequency of fifth harmonic. This 500 hertz is called as frequency of fifth harmonic and the frequency of second overtone. So what are overtones? Overtones is the actual sound present or produces by the given instrument. But all the harmonics, we are not getting the second harmonic. In case 2, we are not getting the second harmonic. We are directly getting the third harmonic after fundamental frequency. And then again, we are not getting the fourth harmonic. We are directly getting the fifth harmonic. So in case 2, we will say that third harmonic is present, fifth harmonic is present, but second and fourth harmonic is absent. So we will say that all the harmonics may or may not be present in a given sound. In case 1, all the harmonics are present, while in case 2, only odd harmonics are present. That means third harmonic, fifth harmonic, and if you will continue this, you will get seventh harmonic, ninth harmonic. So in some cases, only odd harmonics are present, while in other cases, all the harmonics are present. So harmonics may or may not be present, but overtone is the actual sound which is produced by the given instrument or frequencies at which we are getting the sound. We are actually getting the sound of this frequency. We are actually getting the sound of this frequency. So we will say that it is the first frequency of first overtone. Similarly, if we are getting the next sound after first overtone at 500 hertz, we will say that it is a second overtone. Overtones means the frequency at which we are getting the sound, and it should be greater than fundamental frequency. So harmonics and overtone. What is harmonic? Harmonic is the lowest frequency or the integral multiple of fundamental frequencies is called as harmonics. Second harmonic, if you multiply n by 2, it will be second harmonic. If you multiply n by 3, it will be third harmonic. If you will multiply n by 4, it will be called as fourth harmonic. So these are the multiplication, integral multiple of fundamental frequency. These are called as harmonics, while the frequency at which we are getting the sound greater than the fundamental frequency is called as overtones. So that's it, guys. I hope you have learned something new today. If you have learned something new, like this video and share this with your friends. I will catch you next time.